This is basic cleaning and maintenance of your gun. These are the things that you're going to want to have available to you if you're going to do it the correct way. Personally, I generally just use Q-tips and oil. This is an oil brush. You only put oil on there to lubricate. And this is the cleaning rag to actually clean the inside of the barrel. First, you want to take the magazine out. Hit the button right there. It pops out. You want to check to make sure it is unloaded. You can tell there's no bullet in there. Bring it back to the front. You're going to pull this part, slide back, and lock it with this button here. Flip this release up. Release. Pull the trigger and slide forward. After that, you pull the pin here by pushing forward slightly. It's a spring. It'll come right out. And then the barrel will slip right out too. You slide forward a little bit, it comes right out. You can see all the oil that's still in there. Then what you're going to do is you take the rag, you push it through there to clean out anything in there. You twirl it around, put that back. Take the soft part, a couple drips of oil on there, and you run it through there. That's the basic maintenance part. You're also going to want to put some drops of oil in there and clean it out good. Also up in here. And then on the receiver part here, you can put oil all the way up in here and where the bullets come up inside too. So basically just to put it back together, it's going to be reverse. Slide it back up in there, push it back, then you take the spring, flat part there goes in the hole, and you set it so that way it's nice and snug. Then you take the receiver again, and you just slide it back on there, and slide it all the way back till it catches on the lock. Flip this down, release, and you're done. And reload it. The end.